Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update. So gonna be a very quickly an update for Tuesday 29th of March. And if you guys want to learn how to trade and do technical analysis, you can take my trading course. You can pay with $29 if you want to pay with cryptocurrency. Join the Discord to know how. And from here guys, I want to show you something very mega super bullish here, and that's the bullish cross. Finally it happened, and this is confirmation ticket of buying a coin and riding it to the moon. Okay, so that's the only thing I want to talk about. Yes, 53 is on the cards right now, potentially 57 as I talked yesterday. So that still is in play, because of course you broke out of a ascending triangle, so you take the top to the bottom over there, and this is where you're breaking out. This is where I'm looking for it to go, $58,000 and or 57,759. And unless that doesn't happen, I cannot say you're gonna calm down. Now of course, within this time you might see this Bitcoin retracing a little bit to the 10, going up, coming to the 10 and going up like this, but it will take a little bit of a break here. Who knows, stay here sideways, do some reaccumulation in this phase, and then from here, if you start to break out of it, then your next impulsive move could be to the upside. But where are you gonna go if you start to make a reaccumulation? And I'm gonna tell you what reaccumulation actually looks like. Maybe potentially something like this, and then you go up. So you might do something like similar to that, and then you go up. The next technical targets, in my opinion, if I start to take this top to the bottom over here, once you start to cross the 0.618, of course you might come up and consolidate between 58k and 52k. Once you do the consolidation, once you put a reaccumulation over there, just like you did accumulation here, reaccumulation, and then you go up. We've talked about the market phases before. Then you potentially could go on and take this all-time high, and your next target is gonna be 100,398 over here, and that will really mean something bullish for the altcoins as well. And today I'm not going to talk in detail. Maybe in the next videos I'm going to do some detailed analysis. I need to cover many other coins. So yeah, let's see. You have the bullish cross, and the last time you did that was down here. You made the bullish cross, went up, came back for the retest of the EMAs, and then boom, you pushed to the upside. Now it would make sense if you start to sell near the bear cross. Okay, so you might hold Bitcoin until it doesn't make a bear cross. Unless you don't make a bear cross, I think Bitcoin is just gonna keep flying to the upside. And that's it for the update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.